Hello everyone. So now I have Yamini Khanna with us, who is the head HR at Proziti. Hi Yamini, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good as well. So Yamini, I'm just going to ask you some questions about how your experience has been with Proziti. Obviously, you're the head HR, so you've been here for a long time and you've seen so many employees come and go. So that would be a difference in your experience as compared to the other employees. So, for how long have you been at Proziti?
I'm about to complete 6 years.
And how does your journey look like? Like, if you have to define your journey in 2 lines or 3 lines, how would it look like?
I think these 6 years have been the most amazing years of my life.
Mhm.
I truly enjoyed my journey with Proziti.
Right.
It's the best thing ever happened to me.
That's great. That's a big thing to say, I believe. Right. So, I'm sure you've done a lot of work in the organization, starting from the position that you started in, and now you're managing a full team of HR. So, what was the best part about working with your team, and what is one challenge that you still face working with your team?
I think the challenge is that all of us come from different background.
Mm-hmm.
So obviously we all think differently.
Right.
But the best part is that we all are aligned with the same goal.
Okay. So you share the same goals, and the team is completely working. That's
So
great.
it's easy to work with them.
Right. So now something about the lockdown experience. You know, we've all gone through a very different time in the last 1 year. So what was your biggest fear as the HR of the company when lockdown was imposed, and when you know that the office is actually coming to a standstill? Like, the world was moving, but there were no offices open. So what was the biggest fear in your mind?
I think the biggest fear was obviously health and jobs of our people and their families.
Right.
Fortunately, we have been able to sail through those times. Fingers crossed.
Right. I think we still are in a good shape. So yes. So, like, how did you manage employee engagement activities going virtual? Like, I know I myself have attended so many events at the company, and the office was very lively. So how did you manage taking all of that virtual?
I think there is no end to innovation, and my team stepped up to make it possible. In fact, we had an activity almost every day to make sure we are connected to our people. So, kudos to my team for making sure we are able to manage things virtually.
Right. And what was the main source of communication that you usually use to, let's say, connect to your team, or to connect to, let's say, the 800 employees in the company we have?
Thanks to Skype and Zoom.
Right. So that's what we've been using, right? So what, according to you, is the biggest challenge of work from home?
I think the role I'm at requires me to keep people connected.
Right.
So the biggest challenge I think is keeping people aligned, motivated, and engaged.
Right. So how do you think employees? Do you think some employees were motivated while others were not while the work from home started?
I think there were some people, those who had challenges at home, but everybody was scared of COVID.
Right.
So obviously everybody had a different feeling. It was not possible to find out who's feeling what.
Right.
So our senior leadership, senior managers and managers played a key role.
Mhm.
They extended their support to make sure we connect to our people, our IT, PM team, accounts team.
Right.
They all extended their support, and they acted as HR catalyst.
Right.
So
I
we're happy
think-
to have them.
Right. That's a good word. That everybody had to act as a catalyst to make things move forward. So, were there any new ideas that you and your team came up with for employees at Proziti during the lockdown period? Like, anything different from what we used to do usually earlier than the lockdown?
I think we did a lot of things, starting from staying connected with each other,
Mhm.
or forming different groups, extending support as and when required, onboarding a life coach.
Oh yes, yes, I remember we did have a life coach.
We had different sessions for kids of our employees.
Mhm.
We had some sessions on cooking, some sessions on beauty,
Right.
some sessions on weight loss, different kind of yoga.
So, do you think employee engagement has increased in a certain way during the lockdown period with all of this happening, which
Definitely.
was different?
Definitely. Even the participation has increased.
Okay, so do you see that as a positive?
Because we have been able to extend this opportunity to employees and their families also.
Right.
So their families have also been able to participate in different activities that we do. For example, many employees, they asked us if they can invite their parents to our regular yoga sessions.
Oh, that's great.
So we extended that. Or there were people those who wanted their kids to join some of our classes,
Right.
and we did that also. There were volunteers from different teams. We had this guy from Surge Unify who did art and craft classes
Oh, okay. That's
for
great.
children.
Right.
So we train people in different areas.
That's great. So, what, according to you, like, if I asked you as a person, what changed in the work-life balance for you when you were locked down at home?
Honestly, I see an opportunity here because I got a lot of time to spend with my family.
Mhm.
Uh, I could see my child learning. I could see how he behaves in a class.
Right. Of course.
Um, so I think I also realized that given some challenges, we all can different wear hats and
Right.
maintain our personal and professional life.
Right. Right. So, what was that one different activity that you did at home while, like, while you were with your family?
Gardening.
Oh, okay. So you took
That's
up
one thing
gardening.
that I did. Yes.
That's great. So I know Briziti has done a lot of things as a company for its employees and even outside towards the society.
Mm.
So like what was the most what prompted you to do those activities with the society and what exactly did Briziti contribute in the COVID period?
I think the contribution and benefits in Grazity are not limited to ensuring job safety for Grazitians. We also realize that it's a responsibility to take care of health of our frontline workers.
Right.
So we did various CSR activities
Mhm.
thanks to Ritash and Rahul Silvani.
Right.
They helped us in organizing different activities.
Mhm.
Let it be distribution of masks, PPE kits, gloves, hand sanitizers, room heaters,
Right.
and all of our employees were there. They all helped us, encouraged us to do better.
That's great. So, is there a specific message that you want to leave for Brazilians? Something that you want to say to employees at this platform?
I would like to say a big thanks to all of them for their hard work, for showing trust in us, and they never miss a chance to make us feel proud.
Right.
So it's because of all of you that we are a great place to work.
Of course, I think it's a contribution that comes in from every member of
I
the
agree,
organization, and starting with the HR department to manage so many employees together, right? So that's a great thing. That extends a big thanks to you as well. So before we end this interview, I just want to ask a few rapid fire questions to you, which have to be answered either in one word or one sentence. Not very
What's
difficult, right? So, what was the thing that you've eaten most in the lockdown?
Pizzas.
Oh my god!
You can see that.
Done. I think all of us have had different plethora of things that we've tried, right? Okay. And one fitness activity that you undertook?
Walk 15 minutes in my garden every day.
Okay. The funniest thing that you've done in the last 1 year, right? The funniest, or let's say the most entertaining thing that you weren't able to do before.
For the first time I tried TikTok.
Oh, okay. And that worked?
That worked. I shared it with my teammates. They can share the feedback.
Okay, that's great. So thank you so much, Yamini. It was amazing talking to you,
Thank you.
and I'm sure the organization is going to grow with an HR team like this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Devanshi. Thank you so much.
Bye.